The YouTube team has issued the UNCHI 1999 warning for all of the YouTube text-to-speech community, including the following users: Thunderbirds 101, Emergency Ranger 88K, Thunderbirds 202, AT88TV, MoAGK24, Thunderbirds 360TV, Baxter 5150, and TTS Master 23, effective until further notice. UNCHI 1999 is back under the channel MROBSIVICTION, and is capable of stealing videos from the mentioned users and the entire text-to-speech community. If your video is stolen, file a copyright complaint immediately. Code Red is now in effect. Remain vigilant. Again, the YouTube team has issued the UNCHI 1999 warning for all of the YouTube text-to-speech community, including the following users: Thunderbirds 101, Emergency Ranger 88K, Thunderbirds 202, AT88TV, MoAGK24, Thunderbirds 360TV, Baxter 5150, and TTS Master 23, effective until further notice.